Hi, welcome. I'm Jackie Mahrou, and this is going to be a short class just to help you get centered and de-stress. If you like this class, please subscribe to my channel and also head over to yogadownload.com where you can find some of my longer classes available. Let's go ahead and get started. You can grab a bolster or a little pillow to sit on, and also grab a folded blanket just to help you find some comfort. We are going to practice legs up the wall today, so you may want to be near a couch or a wall as well. Go ahead and find a comfortable seat, sitting just on the edge of your bolster or prop. You can sit cross-legged if that's comfortable, and if not, no worries, just sit in a way that is, or you can even lie down for this first part. Take your hands and rest them on your knees or wherever is comfortable, and close your eyes. Take a moment here just to get yourself settled and just to notice your energy. Notice how you feel physically and mentally. And just begin to focus your attention on your breathing, more so than your thinking. Begin to deepen your inhales, but also lengthen your exhales. When you lengthen your exhales, you'll tap in more to the calming side of your nervous system, your parasympathetic. So let your inhales be long and your exhales be long as well. Taking time just to experience both. When thoughts come in and interrupt, which they always will, just let them come and then let them go and bring your awareness back to your breathing. Notice if you're breathing up high into your chest. Try to bring your breath down a little lower towards your diaphragm, towards your belly, to also help you access a little more calm, a little more centering. And take this moment here just to plug in to whatever it is that you need in this moment most. It could be patience. It could be energy. It could be anything at all that you need. See if you can plug into that. Or at least make it your intention to do so. And then slowly open up your eyes and make your way to a tabletop position on all fours. And what you can do if your floor is hard is you can pad the floor with a folded blanket. Spread your fingers wide on hands and knees, and then inhale as you tilt your bottom up, look up, fill up your lungs, and then exhale as you tuck your pelvis under, round your back just as much as it will go, and then let your head and neck fall. Then we'll slowly move through these with the breath. You inhale, tilt pelvis, look up and lengthen, and then you exhale, tuck, round, curl, and let head fall. On your own, just move through these cat and cow breaths to the pace and length of your own breath. But try to make your breath a little slower and deeper than it normally is throughout the day. to give you this time to connect to a little calm. Take one more cycle through the inhale and the exhale from wherever you are. And then center yourself just into a neutral spine. From here, we'll move into a very short hold of downward facing dog. So curl your toes under. Lift your kneecaps up off the mat and press your heels down towards your yoga mat. Bend your knees just softly, just a bit, to help you access a little more length and freedom in your spine. If this hurts your wrists to be in down dog, you can come to hands and knees and instead take a puppy dog pose where you reach your arms forward and bow your head down. Wherever you are, move around as you need to, just to soften and loosen through your joints, and then settle into stillness for a few moments. Take some full deep breaths wherever you happen to be, in and out. Take one more big breath in. And then exhale, just empty and let go. And then drop down onto your knees for a child's pose position. There's a couple different ways to do child's pose. From here, you can widen your knees towards the outer edges of your yoga mat. And then walk your hands forward as you bow your head, bringing the center of your forehead, third eye, to your yoga mat. One thing you can do to find more comfort is place a little pillow, bolster, or even blanket in between your hips and your heels. And if your hips are nowhere near your heels, no worries. Don't try to force them there. We're here just to tune in and to get settled. Just melt here, taking a few deep and full breaths, resting your head on the yoga mat. You can widen your arms as wide as you need to find a place of comfort and a place of ease. If your mind is still spinning, that's okay. If it's clinging to one thought, that's okay. Just try to come back to your breath and to begin to focus on it, making it longer and deeper than your natural rhythm. Just allow yourself to sink towards your yoga mat. Allow your hips to fall towards your heels. But keep your spine long. Use this as a time to surrender. Slowly walk your hands over towards your left, just as far as you want to go, just to get a stretch down the right side of your body. Work your way into that and breathe here. Just coming into the sensations of your body. So we're coming out of our heads and into our bodies, grounding into presence. Let's walk it over to the other side. Just come through center, take your time. Find a place that feels really good as you lean over towards your right side. Just let it feel good. No need to strain or struggle or push your way into a stretch. Just find a place of comfort, a place of ease. And then return back to center and gently walk your hands up towards your knees and hips. Lift your chest and come out of your child's pose and into a seat. Now you can move near a wall. for legs up the wall, feel free to watch first and then come into it. If you know what you're doing, just go right ahead and move on in. You can place a blanket near your wall, a folded one, just to give you some extra padding. And then sit next to your wall. So your legs are next to your wall. And then you can sit on the blanket and then swing your legs up against the wall as you lie your back down. Arms can just be comfortable by your sides, and you can adjust how close or far your hips are away from the wall based on your level of comfort. Just take a few moments here just to get yourself settled in. Close your eyes, and we'll stay here for a couple of minutes. This is a wonderful pose just to help you get centered, to slow down, to calm down. You can just let your breath flow naturally here. Pay attention to where your mind goes. And if you find it's spinning away, just bring your awareness back to your breathing. Just give yourself this time here for self-care, to de-stress and unravel. Just feel what you need to feel completely. From here, gather a deep breath in, and then let it out through your mouth. And then just bend your knees and roll onto one side and press yourself up with your hands, just very slowly, taking care of yourself. And then lie on your back. We'll move into a hip opener, figure 4, or also called eye of the needle. Bend your knees and then take your right ankle and bring it in front of your left knee. Take your right hand and grab your inner hamstring or knee of your left leg. Left hand grabs outside and pull your left knee just very gently into your chest until you feel a stretch in your right glutes. Just breathe deep, feel all the sensations. Just allowing some tension to leave your body. And then release this. Wind your right leg in front of your left leg for an eagle twist. You can hook at the ankles if you want, but you don't have to. Just let your knees fall over to your left, and you're welcome to place a bolster or a blanket underneath your knees if you want. Reach your right arm to your right, and then just close your eyes here for a gentle twist. Never force your body into any position that it doesn't feel good in. Just find ease here. Continue to let go. And then release, come back to center. Take your left ankle in front of your right knee now. And pull your right thigh towards your body with your hands. Take your hands, you can grab on top of your knee or you can grab your hamstring. Close your eyes and just feel. It's very normal to feel pretty tight in this posture or to feel a lot of sensation in your left glutes. And then wind your legs up together like you're sitting in a chair, crossing your legs. You can cross at ankles too, or skip that altogether. Send your knees over towards the right. And reach your left arm to the left. Just a gentle twist. Nurture yourself within this practice. Don't force yourself into any posture. Always just breathing your way in instead. Full breaths here. And then release, come back to center, and then lie on your back in Savasana. So extend your legs out in front of you. You can cover yourself up with your blanket if you'd like. Bring your arms by your sides with your palms facing up and just close your eyes. Close your eyes and just feel the support of the ground, the floor right underneath your body, and let your body just melt into that. Relax the muscles in your forehead, right above your eyes, center of forehead, even at the hairline. Relax your shoulders and all the way down towards your toes. And just let your breath come back to its natural rhythm. And just give yourself this time here in Savasana just to find presence. And I invite you to stay in your Savasana today as long as you'd like. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day. I hope this helped you find some calm. Namaste.